We are going to start task 2, intercept HTTP traffic using Hetty. Now this is part of your lab 1 performing session hijacking. Now this task is similar to the previous task that we performed with Cadio, but instead we are going to be using a new application. So let's go to Windows 11 and we will go to our E drive and install Hetty. So CEH tools, module 11, Hetty, Hetty.exe. All right, so it is now running in localhost 8080. So let's go ahead and open up our Firefox and type localhost colon 8080. All right, so let's go to this page. All right, so I had an error, so I went ahead and restarted the machine and reran the exe Hetty, and now I am able to go to the website under localhost colon 8080. Before restarting, it was still taking me to Cadio, so if you get that error, please make sure you reboot the Windows 11 machine by clicking on this icon and then reset or reboot. Let's go ahead and click on Manage Projects. So the project name that we are going to have is Movie Scope. Click on Create an Open Project. So this project is now currently the active one. You see the active status here. If you click on this proxy logs, your logs will show up here. Now what we are going to do is we are going to go ahead and move on to Windows Server 2022. In the previous task you used 2019. This time we are going to use 2022 and we are going to configure our browser so that we would be able to intercept the traffic. So I've logged in, and if you get this window networks, go ahead and click on yes. Let's open up Google Chrome. We go to settings. Let's click on system. Open up the proxy server setting. Now we are being shown the proxy server setup. So let's go ahead and do manual proxy setup. So use proxy server, turn it on. Our proxy server address is going to be 10.10.1.11 and the port number is 8080. We're going to go ahead and click on save. So now once that is done, let's go to the browser, open up a new tab. Double check it's saved. Yes, it is saved. I'm going to close it. Now I'm going to type http://www.moviescope.com and then press the enter key. All right, now in the login page, what I'm going to do is I'm going to type Sam and the password is test and click on login. So I was able to log in. Now let's go back to the Windows 11 machine in which we are running Hetty. Now we are in the proxy logs. Now let's look at the proxy log for post. So you see all the proxy logs here. I'm going to search for only post and then press enter and look for MovieScope URL. The origin has to be MovieScope. And if you come down, you will see Sam and the password as test. Okay, So you were able to capture sensitive information using the tool Hetty. All right, let's go back to our Windows 2022 and revert back the settings. System proxy, do not use a proxy server. That's done. Let's answer the questions. Use the Hetty tool to intercept HTTP traffic on the Windows Server 2022 machine. Enter the URL that was entered in the address bar of the browser to open Hetty dashboard. Now, if you remember the Hetty dashboard here, the address bar, we entered localhost colon 8080. So the answer is http colon / localhost 8080. Now the next question, use the Hetty tool to intercept HTTP traffic on the Windows Server 2022 machine. What was the password that was captured in Hetty tool by intercepting the traffic of Windows Server 2022? The password is test. All right, so that's the right answer. Now that brings us an end to task to intercept HTTP traffic using Hetty. Thank you.